I'm out for a paddle here in Summerside, Prince Edward Island. It's pretty beautiful, but I have messed up majorly, and my GoPro camera is somewhere down in those murky waters. I really doubt if I'll be able to recover it. Yeah, losing that GoPro camera is a bit of a setback. But I had this little webcam tucked away in my backpack, so I wired that in through the window. I'll set my laptop on the seat by the kitty, and I'll still be able to get some footage. I also got some solar panels given to me by a guy named Greg who lives in his camper and travels around. He's got a real good setup, and he's just been holding on to those old panels, so he felt like throwing them my way and even helped me set them up. Oh, right before I took off, there was this guy playing with a little toy car in the parking lot. The thing whipped around pretty fast. So after fixing some mistakes and getting my new setup figured out, this is what the driving footage will look like now. I kind of like it a bit more. It might be a tiny bit more fuzzy than the GoPro, but the image isn't all rounded like the fisheye lens sort of thing that the GoPro had. I kind of like how this webcam looks. It's more of a flat image. So I'll still be able to get driving footage. I won't be able to get paddling footage anymore. I kind of learned my lesson now. I fumbled the dumb thing right into the water, but I wasn't doing a whole lot of paddling so far on the trip to begin with anyways. That first little bit of salt water was nice to get the canoe in here in Summerside. It's a pretty quiet little town. Wasn't much of a downtown area to find to play in, so I just hung out with Greg for a bit. He's got a cool old 1980s camper. He's decked right out. And then set off to find some food. I saw a place on the map called Haas's Fish and Chips, and the portions in the pictures looked pretty good, so I felt like I should go see for myself. And I wasn't quite able to finish all of it. It was a good pile of food. And I heard the kid at the counter even said to another customer who came in, "Yeah, I'm Haas's grandson." So she's a good old family business. It's nice to see. Got this massive pile of chips and two big chunks of fish. I got halfway through the first one before realizing I better show what we got. I gave some to the kitty too. Less than $20 with a can of pop. Big old pile of food. I probably won't be able to finish it. They do it right out here on the island. After the good meal, I headed off down the road again and went to Walmart parking lot where Greg told me there's a whole bunch of other campers camped out, so figure safety in numbers. We circle the wagons up. Don't know if they all get together and hang out or if everyone just stays in their own camper, but I pulled up and parked amongst them, and I guess I'll find out tonight. I'm not sure if I really feel like hanging out with people in the first place. I'll just stick to my own camper probably. It's nice to relax. While I'm fixing this video up right now, it's 10 o'clock and I haven't met any of my neighbors here, so I probably won't tonight. It's just a nice quiet spot, and knowing that everyone else is here and nobody's getting hassled, I know that I won't be told to move along, and maybe it'll be a little bit quieter than some of the other parking lots I've slept in. The last night was real nice. The other spot Greg showed me right by the water. Good breeze and quiet and out of the way. It's about as best it can get.